Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 34. How to add FAQ extension. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to add FAQ extension, step by step. So let's get started. So from our Microsoft Ads dashboard, select all campaigns and then select campaigns. Select one campaign from the list. Now select Ads and Extensions and click on Extensions from the top. Now click on Create Ad Extension button. Then click on View Site Link Extensions button and you have so many extensions in the list. Select Site Link Extensions from the list, here you get all these extensions. Now click on this Add New Site Link Extension link, here enter link text as FAQ, description which is optional, add your URLs, now click on Site Link Extension URL options, here you need to enter more details. Then click on Save button. You can also save it from here. Here we already have a FAQ extension, click on its Edit button, from here you can edit its description, URLs and more and then save the changes. So this is how you can add FAQ extension. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 35. How to add Contact Us extension. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to add Contact Us extension, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.